Hello, welcome to Below 5 Petite. I'll quickly show you how to do this DIY first, and you won't want to miss how this is going to change your life forever. Lastly, I'll show you how to wear this little contraption. we've made is called a fundoshi, or a traditional Japanese undergarment. What the caveman wore, or maybe Tarzan, or a sumo wrestler, aka a loincloth. How is this going to change my life? In present days, the fundoshi has become more popular again due to its functions as a undergarment for sleeping. Fundoshis are usually made with breathable materials such as silk, cotton, double gauze, or linen. Unlike regular underwear, there's no elastics around the legs or around the waist to prevent circulation or lymphatic drainage, giving you a good night's sleep. Ever since the revived popularity of the fundoshi, we see a lot more beautiful designs, especially for women. The two versions that I made are revised for practical, comfortable, everyday use. For sensitive sleepers, I've made the back flat, free of wrinkles, and will not shift around while you sleep. And I've moved the string from the side to the front, so when you tie it, it's more even, and when you lay on the side, the knots will not get in the way. Hey Sleepy, you're looking alive. Was the sleep good? There you have it, approved by Sleepy the Bear. I hope you'll make this little fun challenge for yourself and improve your sleep in the process. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from me.